I'm Will from Trico Products Australia. Now, not all washer additives are the same. Most of us use washer additive just to keep our windscreen glass clean. But Trico Vision Washer Additive is designed to do so much more than that. Firstly, it does a fantastic job at keeping road grime, bugs and bird droppings clear on your windscreen. But it also contains rubber lubricants to help your windscreen wipers last much longer. Now, most importantly, it's also an ammonia-free formula. Ammonia is an aggressive solvent and will actually reduce the longevity of your wiper blades. So if it doesn't say ammonia-free or no ammonia on the bottle, we highly recommend you don't use it. Next time you're changing your washer additive or your wipers, pick up a bottle of Trico Vision Washer Additive. It's available at all good auto parts stores.